Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use LinkedIn for recruitments. And it is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so you will be able to understand it quite easily. So just sit back and relax, and this is also going to be a tutorial where we will see how you can recruit someone at absolutely no cost. So just open up your LinkedIn for that, and after that what you have to do is just search for the role that you are actually looking for to hire someone. Suppose you are looking to hire a software developer, then you will just click on this option of search on the top and just type software developer over here. After that, just press enter, and this is just an example. You can just type in any other role as well, and after that you will see a list of filters over here. So what we have to do is just select this option of people on this, and after that a list of people will appear. And since we want to narrow it down as much as possible, so we are able to select a particular candidate who we can recruit for our job, so we will just use the other filters over here. And the filters list has also been changed after we selected people over here. So the next filter is connections, so just click on it. A list of other filters will appear, which will say that first, second and third, which basically means that the first, when you click on this option of first, then all the people who are connected to you or the first degree connections will be shown in the results. And if you select the second one, which particularly means that all the people who are connected to your first degree connections will also be shown over here. And in the same manner, third degree connections mean all the people who are connected to the second degree connections. And this way you can just filter out all the people and select all of these uh, in one go. Or if you want to just select any one of them, then also it will work. So this way you can just filter out using the connection filter. And if you want to hire someone from a particular location or the people from where your company is currently operating, so just add the location over here, and you can choose as many locations as per your requirements. You can choose whole country as well, and after that all the people from that particular location will appear right below it in the search results. And then you will see this filter of current company. Just click on it, which basically means if you are hiring for software developer, then you can just go for the top software companies which are there. So you can just hire their ex employees, and this way you will be able to make sure that you are actually hiring someone good, because they must have been through a good test already from that particular company. And this way you will be able to contact a good talent out there. And you can also select all the top software developing companies and just click on show results, so all the people from those companies will appear over here who are looking for a job and who you can connect to. So this is a good way to filter out people as per their company. And when we click on this option of all filters, then all the filters that we have already seen will appear, and also some more filters. So I have already told you about connections and connections off. And if you this particularly means that if you want to recruit someone from your particular connection, like someone who is into developing, and you want to recruit someone from their list, then you can just add their name over here by clicking on add a connection, and all the people who are connected to that particular connection will appear in this list, and then you will be able to recruit them. And this is the same way followers off, you can add a creator. And here in this section you will be able to see that there are hashtags, basically people who talks about some particular stuff. You can just search them over here. You can also click on this option of plus search a topic, then people who have been talking about that particular topic will be shown in this particular list, and you can just connect with them and ask them if they are interested in the job or not. Current company we have already discussed. And there is this filter of past company also, like someone who has worked for TCS, then you can just simply select this option, and all the people who has worked for TCS will also appear over here, and you can just filter them out this way. A school option is also there, industry option is also there. Like we are searching for a software developer, so we can just simply select IT services, technology, information, like some of these, and then just simply click on show results. And this filter of profile language helps you hire up people who are from that particular language and who are proficient with a particular language. Like you are hiring someone in a particular country and you are actually looking for a person who can speak French, then you can just simply select this option of French and click on show results. And all the filters that you will be selecting from top to bottom will be shown in the results. All will be counted as a search, so make sure that you select them properly. And in the similar way, you can filter out other candidates as well using these filter features. And the keyword option is also there in filters. Like if you are looking for a particular designation in your company, then you can just type their title over here and just search for results. And suppose you are looking for someone named Bill, resembling Bill Gates, so just search for Bill over here, the term, and click on show results, and all the people named Bill will appear over here. And after that, you can just scroll down and check this list out and check who is going to be more appropriate for your job role. So look for someone who is actually looking for a job, and after opening up their profile, you will be able to see this option of more. Just click on it, and here you will see this option of connect. Just click on it, and here you need to click on this option of add a note, because it is quite important that you add a note and why you have sent the connection request to them. Just click on add to note, and here you can just simply type, hello William, I am HR of XYZ company, and we are looking for software developer, and then type in the requirements that you are looking for in your job profile. Just type them accordingly, because I'm taking software developer just as an example. You can just change it according to your terms and conditions and your requirements. And suppose I'm looking for someone who has the knowledge of Java and SQL, so I will just type command over Java and SQL is a must. Reply if interested, and then type regards HTM email htm@gmail.com, and then your phone number, and after that just send it. And this way you will be able to connect with different people who are working in this particular field. And don't forget to use the filters as per your requirements, because it is quite necessary for you to narrow down all the requirements, and this way you will be able to find suitable candidate for you. So just let me cancel it for now. Now let me get back to my profile. Now let's see how we can post a job regarding the recruitments, like you are hiring someone. So you will just click on this option of start a post, and then click on this option of three dots over here. Then you will be able to see this option of share that you are hiring. Then just simply click on it. But this will only work when you have the experience with yourself and you are actually working for a company. So when you click on it, just make sure that you already have experience. And since my profile is quite new and I have not added any experience over here, that's why I cannot make these posts regarding hiring someone. So you need to add your experience and the company that you have worked for, or the company that you are working for, and after that you will be able to post regarding the hirings. And all you have to do is just provide the necessary details, like for what role you are hiring and all the other requirements, like the skills that you actually need for this particular role. That just post it, and you will also see the option of promotions, and this way you will be able to reach more people if you want to pay for it. And this is how you recruit on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.